Hi children, let us learn about energy stored in a capacitor. The total work done to store the charge on a capacitor is stored as potential energy in a capacitor. If dW is the work done to store a charge dQ at the potential drop V, therefore the total work done to store the charge dQ is dW equals to VdQ. The total work done to store the charge can be obtained by integrating it in the limits from 0 to Q. Therefore, W is equals to integration 0 to Q VdQ. But we know V equals to Q by C. Substitute this value in above equation. Therefore, W equals to integration 0 to Q by C dQ. Therefore, W equals to Q square by 2C. This work is stored in the form of energy U. Therefore, U equals to Q square by 2C. Consider it equation number 1. If we substitute Q equals to CV in equation 1, we get U equals to half CV square. If we substitute C equals to Q by V in equation 1, we get U equals to half QV. Equation 1, 2 and 3 represents energy stored in a capacitor. Now, effect of dielectric on energy stored in a capacitor. With battery disconnected, here the battery is disconnected. If the dielectric is filled in the capacitor after disconnecting the battery, its capacitance C increases, Q remains constant and its V decreases. Energy stored without dielectric U naught equals to Q square by 2C. Consider it equation number 4. Energy stored with dielectric U equals to Q square by 2C dash, but C dash equals to Kc. Substitute this value in this equation, then U equals to Q square by 2 Kc. Consider it is equation number 1. Dividing equation 5 by equation 4, we get U by U naught equals to 1 by K, or U equals to U naught by K. Thus, if the dielectric is filled in a capacitor after disconnecting the battery, energy stored in it decreases to 1 by K times. Now, second case, keeping the battery connected. If the dielectric is filled in the capacitor keeping the battery connected, its capacitance C increases, its potential difference V remains constant, and its charges Q increases. Now, energy stored without dielectric U naught equals to half CV square. Energy stored in the capacitor with dielectric U equals to C dash half C dash V square, but we know C dash equals to Kc. Substitute this value in this equation. Therefore, U equals to half Kc V square. Equation number 8. Dividing equation 8 by 7, we get U by U naught is equals to K, or U equals to K U naught. Consider equation number 9. Thus, if dielectric is filled in a capacitor keeping battery connected, energy stored in it increases K times. Therefore, if battery is disconnected, the energy stored decreases 1 by k times. If the battery is connected, the energy stored increases k times. Thank you.